Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn in Simple. In this video, I am going to give a short introduction about Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic schematics. Python supports modules and packages with encourages program modularity and code reuse. Python interpreted and extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without change for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. Next, we are going to see about why Python. So there are many languages like Basic C, C++, Visual Basic, Java. Python is one of the easiest language to learn and use, while at the same time being very powerful. It is used to many of the most highly productive professional programmers. A few places that use Python extensive are Google, the New York Stock Exchange, Industry Light, and etc. Also, Python is a free language. Next, we are going to see what is a Python. Python is available for free and runs a pretty much very current platform. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language because the code is automatically compiled to bytecode and executed. The Python is suitable for use as a scripting language, web applications, languages, etc. Python can extended in C and C++. Python can provide speed needed for computing even sensitive task. Next, history of Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum at National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands in 1990. Many of Python's features are oriented from an interpreted language called ABC. And here the list of features of Python. The first thing is easy to learn. Python has a relatively few keywords, simple structures, and clearly defined syntax. This allows the student to pick up the language in relatively short period of time. Next is easy to maintain. Python success is that its source code is fairly easy to maintain. Next, the free and open source. Python is an example of open source software. In simple terms, user can freely distributed copies of software, read the codes, make changes to it, and use places of its new free platforms. Next, it is a high level language. When writing programs in Python, no need to bother about low level details such as managing the memory used in program and a broad standard library. One of the greatest strength of Python is that the bulk of its library is very portable and cross platform compatible on Unix Windows. Next, interactive mode. Support for an interactive mode in which user can enter result from a terminal right to the language, allow interactive testing and debugging sprints of code. Next feature is portable. Due to its open source nature, Python has changed to make it work on many platforms. Python can run a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. Next feature is interrupted. User can run Python program directly from source code internally. Python converts the source program into an intermediate form called bytecodes and then translates this into native languages of your specific systems and then runs it. Next feature is object oriented. Python supports both procedural or procedure object oriented programming as well as object oriented programming. In procedure object oriented programming, the program is built around procedures or functions which are just reusable pieces of programs to which the data fed. In object oriented programming, the program is built and around objects which combine both the data and functionality. Here the features of Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If any comments, post it on comment box.